Hello, my name is Joyner Carvajal Gonzalez. I belong to the group. I am 31 years old. I study the Industrial Engineering program and currently and work as a commercial advisor and heavy maturing company in Barranca Bermeja. My travel experience that I want to talk to you about is when visiting the city of Santa Marta with my family. First, we arrived at the sector known as the Rodadero, where we stayed in a beautiful hotel with a swimming pool and a great view of the sea. This is a beach very busy with tourists and you can feel an atmosphere of joy. Easy highways crowded and with good music. Then we visited the aquarium where we enjoy the marine diversity. My daddy was very happy with the spectacle of the dolphins. We had never been there. We were also in Playa Blanca, which is crystalline waters and with sand. Sometimes the right jet sky and good dawn. We could rest and lounge, enjoy and greet the empty beach, breezes and sea. Finally, we visited the beach of Bahia Concha, a very quiet place to relax and rest. Whenever we go to the beach, we disconnect from everything. Sometimes musical groups arrive on a special occasion. Exit were drawn from the city. Finally, during the time when starting Santa Marta, we visit restaurant where we call enjoy to cuisine. Now the tourist and historical sets is one experience for and the me whole family. Bye.